moisturizer and wrinkle cream to give that youthful look we all long for. It is natural, so you avoid the harmful chemicals and the high price. Today's video will discuss how to make 6-ingredient homemade anti-aging face cream. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. This homemade face moisturizer and wrinkle cream are great for keeping that youthful look we all long for. The anti-aging face cream you use on the face doesn't have to be synthetic chemicals science project. In fact, the most effective and truly anti-aging remedies happen to be nature's most simple and pure ingredients. Mix up this homemade anti-aging face cream and you will soften fine lines and moisturize skin, revealing a fresher and younger you. The ingredients in this anti-aging cream individually have profound effects on the skin, but together they complement one another in terms of textures, scent, and complexion benefits. Ingredients for youthful looking skin. When I got home, I pulled out my favorite essential oil resources and got to work creating a homemade face moisturizer to help me have younger looking skin. Two of my favorite essential oils happens to be mentioned quite frequently at Christmas time: frankincense and myrrh. Frankincense essential oil has a very woody and spicy scent. It is wonderful for aging skin and helps to heal dry skin. It also helps spur skin cells regeneration, thus smoothing wrinkles. Myrrh essential oil is also anti-aging and is an intensive skin healer. It smells much more earthy than frankincense but also has a spicy quality. Homemade face moisturizer and wrinkle cream. Ingredients: 1.5 ounces beeswax, 3 ounces avocado oil, 3 ounces coconut oil, 15 drops frankincense essential oil, 15 drops myrrh essential oil, 10 drops sandalwood essential oil. Instructions: begin making this homemade face moisturizer in a double boiler by melting beeswax, avocado oil and coconut oil together. Once fully melted, stir the cream and allow it to cool slightly. While still liquid, add essential oil to the cream. To use a small amount of cream each night before bed. While it may seem hard, the cream softens as it melts onto the skin. Do you like this homemade face moisturizer and anti-aging face cream? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.